Yo guys, I'm back. It's been a while. I've not vlogged for a long time. Well, actually, we've been to track days where I've vlogged, but I've just not really uploaded. And hopefully I'll actually upload this. But yeah, I've bought a new car. Don't know why and how. Well, I know why, because it's a classic, and I'd probably put it in the title because I've said that it's replacing my M3, which it hopefully is if my M3 sells. I'm so happy with the car. Yeah, I mean, it's just better to show you, isn't it? I've already started doing stuff to it, and then I realized, oh wait, I've not recorded anything. So yeah. As you can see, it is a stunning E36. I don't know if I mentioned it in the title, but it is a 328i. It's an automatic. That's the only downside to it. Well, there's a few downsides as to every E36 possible. None of them are perfect unless you buy one for like 30 grand. But you'd still find issues with it. But regardless, I'm super happy with it. I mean, just look at it. Can we just take a second? Like, it's stunning. I don't know how and why, like I've already mentioned, but I mean, I just bought it just so I can look at it, to be honest, for now. Like, it's just crazy. So the plans for it are, I hope you're not hearing wind noise. I'm already recording the second time because there was wind noise the first time around. So the plans with it are to build like a track car, well, like a club sport build to replace my M3 that's over there in the back corner, which hopefully sells sometime soon. So yeah, because I can afford to keep the M3. It's not a major issue, but I can't, like, over the past year we've just kind of done a lot of traveling. This is just kind of like a reason why I'm selling my M3, if anyone's interested. So yeah, we've just done a lot of traveling this year, and we've spent a lot of money on it, and I've still done quite a few track days, you know, and I've still got a few planned and stuff like that, and it's fine, you know. Like I said, I can just about afford it, but it's not comfortably affording it, if you know what I mean. So I think I'm want to prioritize a little bit, like traveling a bit more so with my girlfriend. So that's why I've decided to part ways with the M3 and get like a cheaper track car, club sport build, so I can use on the road if I want to go to Wales or Nürburgring for a weekend or whatever, that I can use this and it'll be comfortable-ish to drive in it. I'm not gutting the interior, I'm not putting loud windy LSDs in it, nothing like that. It's just, you know, it's going to be a nice club sport build. So like I said, it's an auto, so I'm going to obviously convert it to manual. I've already found a manual gearbox, which is great. It's got like a E46 M3 flywheel and clutch in it, I think, or something. I don't know. There's a guy that my friend knows, and he said it's good, so I'm getting that. It's a 5-speed ZF box, so that'll be going in pretty soon, pretty much straight away. And then the next thing is probably going to be an LSD. Just it depends what I kind of find for a good price and what I decide to go for next. But yeah, like a Black Lion LSD or something like that. I'm not going super expensive on everything, unless someone advises me to that it's better. But yeah, obviously coilovers and probably another set of wheels with some track tires, and then I'll probably keep these as daily, so I'll probably put like Michelin PS4s or whatever's available in the size on my daily wheels and get these refurbed and looking nice. Maybe like 2 Forge ZF1s or something as track wheels with, I don't know, AR1s, Derezas, or again, probably whatever I just find. That's a decent price. What else? Obviously, or bushings will need to be done, and control arms or whatever else, or some various arms that you're doing. I'll get those done while the diff is getting done. As well as these are getting done, fitted, I'll obviously refurb, recondition the diff a little bit, put some new bearings and all sorts of crap in there to make it a bit nicer and fresher. The seals and all that sort of fun stuff. And while the subframe, diff is out, let's take the subframe out, put some Powerflex bushes probably in as well, some poly bushes, let's just call them that. So yeah, it's quite a few things. But and bucket seats obviously inside. I've currently took the rear seats out, which is yeah, I've already started doing bits, but I thought I should record, which I'm actually recording on my phone. I couldn't bother to go and get my GoPro, and it actually looks pretty good on this iPhone 13 Pro, so I might just use this to vlog. Yeah, I've started taking the interior out because it stinks of like mold or something. So I think the car was probably just standing around for a while, and it's just got a little bit of moldy inside. So, but yikes. But yeah, I've been talking for 6 minutes now. Gee, maybe I should move around a little bit. You guys will be bored. But yeah, let me flip the camera around. So yeah, this is a genuine factory sport. So it's not a sport. It's like a factory kit from factory. Yeah, sport kit from factory. These are M3 sunflower wheels. I don't believe that was an option. It was just an M3 option. So I'm guessing someone just bought these and obviously fitted them. One of my friends said that AC Schnitzer mirrors. I don't know if that's true or not. I would imagine he's got an E36, so I would imagine he knows. There's, like I said, there's several marks. So there's some here. It's like an indent. So that will obviously need doing. The front, other than that, looks pretty clean. The splitter needs repainting or whatever. Both the front wings actually look decent condition. I don't know what happened to this. Someone tried to polish it or something. No idea what they did. This door has got some sort of rashing on it. It looks like it's fairly surface rust, so hopefully this is just a simple sand down and repaint, and that will be Gucci to go. Let's go here. This is just I don't know how the hell this happened, but I'm guessing I was just going to polish out. A little bit of bubbling here, nothing major. A little bit of dent there, but again, that will get done whenever I repaint it or polish it or whatever needs to be done. Move on. Nothing interesting to show here. No rust in there, which is nice. On the boot lid, it's not too bad. Little bit of rust there, which is it's part of my car gone. The worrying thing, if maybe someone can tell me, is that rust there. It's in the boot bit. I don't know if someone can tell me if that's bad or not. It looks like it's surface-ish. It doesn't look deep or anything, so hopefully that'll be fine. A little bit of bubbling here and there, but again, no major rust. The worst part is this bit. So as you can see, it's quite a bit of bubble in here. It's jamming this out a little bit. So that's like the worst part. But I don't actually think it's that bad. This door, probably just a polish. Looks fine on this door. And again, this wing's pretty much perfect. So in all honesty, it may be just like the door, the passenger door and the rear passenger and the driver rear quarter that might need paint. Hopefully the other panels you can just kind of clean off and polish. Fingers crossed, because I don't want a 2, 3, 4 grand paint job or whatever it might be. So the roof, by the way, is nice. I don't know if I showed you, but yeah, it's got a sunroof as well, factory optional sunroof. It's got a nice spec, this car as well. It's got AC, which doesn't work. Probably needs regassing, I presume. It's got a sunroof, which works. Like I said, the sport kit, and it has working cruise control. Like, what? How? Yeah. I was amazed. But yeah, hopefully you guys love it as much as I do. I mean, I just literally, like, look at it. Look at it. I literally could just sit here and stare at it. Honestly, I could literally just sit here and stare at it and be happy. It's a beautiful car. God, I'm trying to get everything in the camera. Absolutely love it. I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are too. Obviously I'll be trying to document it as much as possible because yeah, I just love this car and I want to have memories for the future. So making videos is one way of ensuring that I've got memories and record the progress and stuff. So I will be trying to do as much as possible recording. This has been a bit of a long video. I'll try and cut it down a little bit so it's not like 10 minutes. But yeah, hopefully you guys love it as much as I do, and I'll see you in the next video when I'm probably, maybe, I've got a steamer, so I might be steaming the interior because it stinks a little bit. So either that or maybe picking up the gearbox. So yeah guys, stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one.